Years ago, I was driving on a country road and I found this car on the road, on the side of the road, with a lady was stranded there. She has a flat tire, and I decided just to pull over to see if I can help. So I just want to show you what I did at that moment. Here is a similar tire, a similar situation. So I saw a nail like this in the tire and it was leaking, and I didn't have much tools with me. I only have few tools, and I don't have tools to fix the tire, but I need to help her get home. She was living at 1 hour away. So anyway, I had to think quick so I can just get her help. The other problem, she didn't even have a spare tire. So this is, as you see, was leaking like this. And beside that, nail was making a lot of noise on the road. So what I decided to do, I need to put something there to block this thing. So the only thing I think of, I look at my license plate and I find this screw on my license plate. I took one of them and I plugged the tire with it. So after I put it in, it worked. As a matter of fact, it did last for a whole, I think, day and a half. She called me 2 days later to thank me. Of course, I refused to take money. This was very much just Samaritan help. I had to just do what I have to do just to get her home. She drove 1 hour away, and the tire is still holding air after that with this screw from my license plate. And she even went there after like a day and a half, like not the same morning. Next day she went to a flat tire place and she had her tire fixed, and they plugged it. They fixed the same tire, and she was able to drive literally 2 days with this screw. I'm just gonna show you quick how I did it. This is a quick fix, a temporary fix, just to get you home if this is the situation. And if you're stranded somewhere and you don't have help, look around to find at least similar screw to this. And the only one I found on my car, on my license plate. And I always carry an air pump with me all the time, and that was help too. I put that screw in and I pump it with air, and that was it. And she was able to go home. Let me show you how I'm gonna plug this in really fast, and you can see the bubbles keep coming out of this one. So let's first remove this nail. As you can see over here, the bubble coming out of this. Right. So even if it was all the way flat and I put it on the side where I was able to do it, you could put some air in it just to hold. And here's I'm gonna screw in. Again, this is temporary fix just to get you home. This woman, she wasn't able to thank me enough for this help. I mean, I try my best. I mean, it is what it is. So as you can see, I'm gonna put 35 psi in this, in the tire now. And please always check if you have a spare tire in your car and make sure it's fully have enough air in it in case you have issues like this. So that's let me just keep 35 at least. You see bubbles coming out of it. If you have a Teflon tape, it will be nice. If you have any, even if you have gum, chewing gum, you could stick it there temporarily just to keep the air from leaking. You could keep extra band. I mean, you know, it doesn't hurt just to manage to keep the air inside. Let me see if I could tie it a little bit more, or of course different tire, different tread depth, it might be different, but it is what it is. All I'm just showing you here at how I helped in this situation. The tire was exactly similar to this one. I was able to find one close to this. The tread was very kind of low, but it still will work even if a higher tread. You're gonna figure it out on that situation. And as you can see, there's no air coming out right now. No air. Stop leaking. But that's a temporary until you know, at least you could have air in the tire. If you drive, you're gonna hear that that the screw noise as you drive is gonna, every time you hit the road, it's gonna make that noise. But you know, who cares? You're gonna get home at least safe. So that screw from my license plate was able to help this woman to go home safe. And again, this was very much a free fix. It didn't cost much, and the air was holding for 2 days with no problem. It didn't lose that much air. And she told me she was able, she went to a flat tire place and they just plugged it. They didn't even change the tire. And you know, it's been working since then. So this is just a quick video on a situation. If I was stranded somewhere, I will use my license plate screw to go there, or if I keep screwing the car all like this. Yeah, if you have you know, flat fix, you can keep it in the car, but I don't think everybody knows how to do it. But this is easy, anyone can do it with a screwdriver, with a screw. You could just plug it in, get home, have some professional look at it and fix it, and decide how they're gonna proceed with this. You want to change it, they want to fix it, it is what it is. Thank you for watching.